the Nano, the most awaited drive ever of any Indian car in a very, very long time. Interiors, very good, hard wearing, cloth upholstery, a great AC. Tata guys along with their automotive have done a wonderful job as far as the HVAC system is concerned. This car also has power windows, which denotes it to be the absolute top of the line version. By and large, is what a fine driving position this car delivers. I can see a panoramic view of the road with a great perspective all round. Coming across to performance, don't let the 624cc displacement of the engine scare you, because this baby can move. Power to weight ratio is very optimal. I think as good as an Alto maybe. She's very sprightly in traffic, moves through the 4 speeds in the gearbox, just about hums its way all through town with zippy performance where it's needed. And even more important thing which is there is where the rev limiter cuts in at the optimal level, making you shift a little earlier than normal to keep the performance thing going right round. And what you always see on this front is a car which has to deliver more than a motorcycle. This car, we had it going right up to 106 kilometers per hour, and I think for a city car, this is more than adequate. So look at the package. What you have got is ample space for 5, tremendous amount of airy ambience in the cabin. State-of-the-art car. This is exactly what should be surprising to the rival manufacturers and absolute music to the ears of so many of our Indian countrymen. So Nano, small, tiny from the exterior, but large at heart and large in its delivery.
With every new model comes a requirement to see its vital statistics, and here they are. The engine is a rear-mounted 624cc 2-cylinder engine, putting out 35 PS at 5250 RPM. The torque is a not very spectacular 45 Nm at 2500 RPM with a top speed of, hold your breath, 106 km per hour. But the ace in the hole is the fuel efficiency, 25 km per litre. Come time for the awards, and because it is very frankly the only car in its price class, except maybe an Enfield if you count that, we give it a grand total of 5 stars, because although it's the same price as a bike, you can take your entire family out for dinner.